can see my onion, ginger, garlic, they are lightly brown. And to that, I'm going to add my clean and washed chickpeas. Really big chickpeas. And they have 2 cans of chickpeas. You can use other chickpeas which you can soak the dry ones, soak it overnight, and then use it. You have to pre-boil it before you cook. And it's easier, otherwise it take forever to cook. So now I mix them and I'm going to cook it little bit, like 5 minutes, then I'll add the spices. So now that it cooked for 5 minutes, now I'm going to add my spices, which I have salt, turmeric, garam masala and chana masala. You can add anything you wish. I mean, there is nothing mandatory. You just add whatever you like. And just make it a little bit spicy if you want, mild if you want. I'm going to toss it around. Remember, these are all pre-boiled. I'm still going to cook it 10 minutes and put some cilantro leaves or put some water to it to cook it, because that way they are not so hard. So all the spices are mixed with it. I'm going to add a little bit of water, about a cup. And I'm going to chop up some cilantro leaf and add it at the end. I'll let it cook for 10 minutes and then at the end I'll add the cilantro leaves so the leaves will be still green to look at. So now you see the chickpea is ready and I put the cilantro on it. Now I'm just going to mix it all together and give you a picture when I pour it in a bowl. And this is actually cheaper and better than meat. And now that egg and meat, everything is so expensive, this is a better option and tastier too and healthier too. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you with many more creation and I'll give you a picture. So here's the chickpea and this is really tasty and is better than any meat option and cheaper too.